If you want to watch your Xfinity cable channels and DVR recordings without paying for another bulky cable box, the Xfinity Stream app on Roku is the perfect solution. Let us see how to set it up. So start on your Roku home screen and scroll down for streaming channels. Use the search function and type Xfinity Stream. Select the app from the results and click Add Channel. Once the download is finished, you can find the app at the bottom of your home screen. Go ahead and open it to begin the setup. After that, when you open the app for the first time, select Sign In. A 6-digit activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this screen open. You will need this code to link your Roku device to your Xfinity account using a separate device like your smartphone or laptop. And then on your phone or computer, open a web browser and go to xfinity.com, authorize. So this is going to be your page, guys. Here you can activate. And in here you just enter your 6-digit code exactly as it appears on your TV. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your Xfinity ID and password. Once you see the success message on your mobile device, your Roku screen will automatically refresh to the next step. And back on Roku, the terms of activation will appear. Scroll to the bottom and select Yes to accept. You'll be asked to name your device. Something like Living Room Roku works perfectly. And just like that, you've turned your Roku into a powerful wireless cable box. If this Xfinity setup guide helped you declutter your entertainment center, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another tech shortcut. Stick around for more ways to master your streaming gear. See you in the next one.